Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can mute comments on TikTok. So if you want to hide or if you don't want to have any comments on your TikTok videos, you can just follow these steps right here to mute all the comments on your TikTok videos. So first, you can just try by going to the TikTok apps. You can launch the TikTok app first on your phone, and then you can go to your profiles right here. Click on profile and tap on the three lines icon in the top right corner, then select the settings and privacy, and in here under the account section, tap on privacy and scroll down until you find interactions and tap on commands. So in here on the commands, in the comment filter, you can just enable this filter or commands, so the recent comments on your video will be hidden unless you approve them. And here this feature is limited to 5 changes per day, so just turn it on just like this. And after that, all of the comments on your future videos will be hidden unless you approve them. Here you can also choose a specific where the allows comment from, so you can choose a specific user. If you want to everyone can comment on your post, you can click on everyone or only your friends or no one. So if you want the no one any comments, you can also use this, so no one can comment on your TikTok videos. And if you want to mute comments only on a specific video or the videos that you've already uploaded, you can go back to your profile and then find the video that you want to. For example, this video is right here. You can click on the three dots icon on the video and then swipe through this option until you find the privacy settings, and you'll see this allow comments section, the privacy setting. So you need to make sure that it is off. Let's find the one that's on. You can try to repeat the step. Click on the three dots icon and find the privacy settings. Okay, you can see I've already turned this off apparently, so no one can comment on my TikTok video. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.